Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Coding Taletiya. So guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can use simple loop in PL SQL code. So guys, we have also another loop that is for loop. So we can discuss about in another video. In this video we are only seeing how you can implement simple loop in PL SQL code. So if you are not seen my all this video, please visit this video, then come into this video. If you have already visited this video, so you no need to go anywhere, you can continue with this video. So I am using a Visual Studio Code for my all PL SQL code. So here I am creating one file, that is simple loop.sql. So guys, here I am going to on the server output. So I have declared all the blocks in my previous video, that how many blocks we have in PL SQL code. So we have first declare section, then we have begin section, then we have end. Here we have also an exception, but I am not discussing about exception, so I am not taking that block. So we are going to declare some variable, that is cnt, and its data type is number, or I am assigning it into 1. So what I am going to do in this video, I am printing a number 1 to 5. So this is the program for this video. So I am using simple loop, that's keyword is loop, and here we have need to close this loop. You have to remember that you cannot use a curly braces in this PL SQL block. So here we have end loop. So here this loop will be closed here. So implementing some programming, that dbms output count equal to this is the our using this statement we can display anything on a output screen. So cnt I am printing here and incrementing it by 1. So cnt equal to cnt plus 1. So we have not exit statement, because this simple loop have not exit statement. So we have to decide that when this loop will be end. So here when cnt greater than 5 exit when cnt greater than 5. So if our cnt will greater than 5, then this program will be automatically closed. This loop will be ended. So here this is our code. So I am running it my SQL server. I am copying path of this. So here we have my run SQL command line. So I am testing it, cnt so here I have forgotten this. So let's try again. So guys, you have seen that 1 2 3 4 5 is printed successfully. So this is the use of simple loop. You can use it as your requirement. I hope you can do practice of this simple loop. So only this for today guys. If you have enjoyed this video, then press like button and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. If you have any doubt and suggestion, then comment that in my comment section. So thank you guys.